All right, I'm going to go over how to create the gallery categories. I think in the live preview, we call them portfolio. So let's dive right in, and it's under galleries and gallery categories. So all you need to do is create one. So let's go ahead and call it some landscapes. And now we can add landscapes to the menu, just under appearance and menus. If you don't see it down here, just click on screen options and enable it by clicking categories. So now we're going to add that landscapes to our menu. And this is just so I can view it and click back and forth. So if you first visit it and you don't have any posts, it'll say nothing found. Don't worry, let's just add some galleries to it. Now I already have some gallery examples. You can just click add new if you want, but I'm just going to use existing ones. So you can just edit them and add them to the category. So now we have this gallery post under landscapes. And you can just start by adding multiple galleries, and you can pick which category you want them to display in. So that's pretty easy stuff there. Now the next thing to go over is the navigation, the filtering up there. Now that works actually by creating a parent category. So I'll just call this one parent gallery category, just for example's sake. And if we put landscapes, that one we created as a child, so we create that parent category as parent. Now when I refresh, you'll see we have all landscapes, which is the parent, and then landscapes. So I'm just going to create another category, and let's call this weddings. And let's create that same thing. We want weddings to be filterable under the parent gallery. So under galleries, let's go and add one to the weddings and update it. Now we have all landscapes and weddings, and then all pulls in all of them, of course. So it's pretty easy to create the categories. Excuse me. Again, when you're adding a post, you can also just create a new category there as well and select a parent if you would like. The image that displays here is the featured image. So when you edit a post, make sure you're setting a featured image that displays here. Now, the last thing to go over is some options, and that's under appearance and customize. And if you look under gallery category settings, that covers categories. Gallery post covers the post settings. So we're going to look under category, and you can do things like adjust the column count. So we can do 2 columns, how many columns, how many show up per page, and you can adjust the pagination. So you can do infinite scroll, normal pagination, all sorts of options. You can crop. You can just go crazy and play with these options as much as you would like. So that covers how to set up your category pages.